Okay guys, now we will see how to write -9 in our system, in our binary system. Okay, so what we have to do, we have 8 bits, right? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So let me write the values of him. 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 and 128. As we know, this will be the sign bit. Okay, so sign bits means our value is negative, so this bit will become 1 to show this is negative. Okay, now if this bit is negative, then it will become -128. And now leaving this, whatever bit will be on, we have to add in this. So if this bit is on, I will add in this 64, so it will answer will become -64. I will add this bit also, 32, answer will become -32. I will make this bit on, so answer will become +16, then -16. Now I will not make this bit on, because if I make this bit on, it will be +8 and my value will be the below it, right? So I don't want that, so I will make this 0. So but I will make this bit on, so +4. So what will be the -12. So if I make this bit on, so +2, it will become -10. If I make this bit on, then it will become +1, so it will become -9. So I got my final values, and you can see how the things are stored here. Okay, in this way computer store. Now this is the one way to write -9 in binary format. So if you want to convert in hexadecimal, simple. You have to take these 4 bits, these 4 bits. So these bits will be the 7 and this bit will be F. So in hexadecimal we can show -9 is equal to F7. Okay, for the signed one, for signed variable. Okay, so now what we will see here, how to represent without using all these things. Okay, so if we don't want to do this and you want to write x is equal to -9 in hexadecimal, so another way is that take the +9. Okay, so how we will write +9? Okay, +9 can be represented like this. Okay, we will make it -9 with the help of 2's complement. Okay, so how we can do 2's complement? Invert it means we have to minus whole number with 1. Okay, so I am doing directly here, so by inverting the result will be same. Okay, and now add here 1. Okay, so after adding 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1, you can see this number is similar, and this number is similar. This is just a way that how to calculate. This is just a way how to calculate our number. Okay, means if -9, then how -9 it is coming, and how to we can understand this, what is the value of this number. Okay, value of this binary number. So in this way, in 2's complement we can represent it. Again, in hexadecimal it will be the F and it will become 7. So x means -9 is equal to F7. In this way we can convert it, means directly don't write so minus is there, make it 1, 9 is here. No, this is the wrong method. Okay, so we have to convert it into 2's complement. Either you can predict, means you can write directly in this format by calculating the all numbers. Okay, thank you.